Life moves fast. You want your family to be ready no matter what. Quicken LifeHub transforms scattered documents into your family's readiness system so you're prepared for life's what-ifs. With built-in categories for IDs, passwords, medical and legal, and even pet info, you can get organized fast. Guided Setup reminds you to add what matters most. Smart Add automatically extracts key details from your documents, making it fast and easy to add. Smart Folders come with helpful checklists for life's what-ifs, like a lost wallet or estate planning, so you're always prepared. Keep your financial accounts, bills, and assets up to date automatically in LifeHub by connecting to Quicken. Then you can securely share the info you choose with your family, advisor, or executor, with bank-grade encryption keeping your info safe. Try 30 days risk-free and give your family the peace of mind that everything's ready just in case.